In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your character move on Domo AI. This tool is perfect for animators, designers, and creative enthusiasts who want to bring their characters to life with dynamic motion. Let's start by heading over to the Domo AI platform. You can find it by going to their main site and navigating to the video to video, style transfer, and AI video tool page. Once you're there, let's jump right in. You'll see the option to sign in on the upper right corner of the page. Click on it. This is where you'll access your account to begin working with your characters. If you haven't signed up yet, you may want to create an account for future ease of access and management of your projects. After signing in, take a moment to review the terms of service. It's always a good idea to be informed about what you're agreeing to when using a digital platform. So click on the terms of service link and skim through it. Once you've satisfied your curiosity or legally bound obligations, it's time to click on Login with Google. This feature allows for a quick and secure sign-in process using your existing Google account, saving you from remembering yet another username and password combination. Now, after you've logged in successfully, look for the character to video section. Click on it. This is where the real magic happens. In this section, you can start transforming static characters into vibrant moving figures. The next step is to click on Select Asset. Here you choose the specific character or asset you want to animate from your library or workspace. With your character selected, it's time to be creative. You'll have the option to type a prompt. This could be an action or series of actions you want your character to perform, like walking, jumping, or any other movement. Be specific to ensure the output matches your vision for the animation. After inputting your prompt, you'll see an option labeled Duration. Click on it to decide how long you want your animation to last. This step is crucial as it ensures your character's movements are not too fast or too slow, maintaining a believable and aesthetically pleasing rhythm. Finally, once everything looks good and you're satisfied with your settings, click on Generate. This is where the Domo AI engine takes over, processing your instructions to create your animated character video. This process might take a little while, depending on the length and complexity of your animation, so be patient. And there you have it. You've successfully created a moving character using Domo AI. This powerful tool opens up endless possibilities for storytelling and digital content creation. Practice these steps, and soon you'll be able to generate animated videos with ease and precision. Thank you for watching, and happy animating!